The Fox and the Grapes. Once there was a hungry fox. The fox looked for food everywhere. He could not find anything to eat. Suddenly, the fox saw a grapevine. The grapes looked juicy. His mouth began to water. The grapes were high. The fox jumped high. He could not reach the grapes. The fox jumped again. He still could not reach the grapes. The grapes were too high for the fox. After many attempts, the fox gave up.
The grapes are not ripe. They are sour. I don't need sour grapes.
The grapes were not really sour. The fox was saying that because he could not reach them.